Hi there, Chipio here, and welcome to my FTB Sky Adventures Modpack. Last episode, we went and completed all of Blood Magic and all of Botania as well. So that's very good, and as you can see, I kind of made it a little bit more prettier, or at least easier to access, but that's really it. And this episode, I would like to work towards IC2, which is Industrial Craft, because there's a lot of things here, and also it's because that they don't have any EMC requirements, so I need to craft them manually all by myself. And there's also for the fact that this thing, the Energy Collector Mark III, it requires a pellets of RTG fuel, which it does have an EMC value, you can see that. But the problem is that it requires plutonium. This is not a problem, it's only just compact iron. But this is plutonium. There are several ways of getting it, but there's two ways of it, which is the fuel rod depleted box or the depleted uranium fuel rods, because this can give me a lot more, but I can even get uranium this way. But there is one problem, as I can't really show you here, but if I show you uranium, if I want to get the fuel uranium, this does have an EMC value, I just need to make it once. But the problem is this thing, the enriched uranium nuclear fuel. It does have an EMC value, but the only problem is that for the crafting recipe, this is not a problem, but I do need this. It's tiny parts of uranium, 235. And look through all the recipes, the only way you can get that is by uh, using the thermal centrifuge, and then just clearing it using purified crushed uranium ore or crushed uranium ore. Basically, this is just this, and this is from yellorium or uranium, which does have an EMC value. So I want to stick with the uranium one. You can do it with the Macerator as well. The reason why I didn't go for the yellorium one is because it has such an abysmal chance of getting it. And actually, I can get it, but I'd rather not go through the annoying way. And actually, I can go through this way as well. The void ore miner, I can get the uranium ore through this as well. And it's also a quest line anyways. I need to craft that eventually, so why not do it now, then later. So, I already made the void ore miner previously, I think 2 episodes ago. I made all of them, and I got my assembler, I got my void ore miner, and I also got a digital guide, which is basically the guide for all of the environmental tech. It's from the environmental tech mod, everything from it, and it basically tells that what do we need for its tier 1. So there's all the things, and I think I can get everything, right? Structure panel and then structure frame. Yeah, I think I get everything. Structure frame. Oh, I didn't have the panel already. Didn't expect that. I expected myself to craft that already. That's oh, it's connector, iron bars, and gold. Okay. So iron bars, and then it's the connector, so that we can make a lot of them. Boop. And tissue as well. No wonder I thought I made it. The texture looks so similar. Honestly, I can really tell the difference of it. Yeah, can't really tell. So we got the structure panel, we got the structure frame, we need 2 laser cores and a clear laser lens. I do have that, a clear laser lens, and then of course I need a laser core, which I didn't make that yet. Laser core, which is, oh, conductor skein, and iron, connector, glass, that's it really. There we go, I only need 2 of them. And where should I build this thing at? I think I'll just build like directly next to here. So let me get my wand back. And also some stone. I may quickly expand you for a bit. Ah, the lag. The only problem is this lag. They can't really keep up with it. I don't think I need that big of a platform, right? Oh, I'm out. Some more, please. Oh, I didn't know that would happen. Cool, good to know. Oh well, I'll just make a few more layers. That will be fine. And let's put the rest of them away. And get some torches. Bye, spider. I think that's mostly it, right? Yeah, that's mostly it. There we go. Throw those things away. And let's see. I think the best way to do this is just right here. 1, 2, 3. Put the miner here. Get the assembler. And sit. Let's see, it's behind here, right? Yep. And then right click. Yep. And then it can help me assemble it. And it's complete, by the way. And basically that's it. It's working now. But the problem is that I require it to have power, so I will need a power cell again. A card and a chest for the loot that I'm going to get from it. So a diamond chest will be fine, I guess. A diamond chest. I will also get a lever to turn it on and off, which honestly I don't think we really need that. There's my power cell. I will change the output, and I need it to connect to power, which is right here. No, this one. Connecting to power. Good. And then now it should be generating stuff. And if I speed you up for a bit, maybe I do need a lever. Oop. I don't know. Oh, it is working. Right? I think. Does it say anything here that I require redstone signal? And doesn't say anything about that. But I think if I just do this, it'll work, and eventually it can give me uranium ore, which I really need to go further. I don't know, but it's giving me amber ore. It's a shame that the quest book doesn't tell me that if it actually works with a redstone signal or not. Oh, it's working. Okay, it just takes a bit of time. Unfortunately, if you can give me any erodium, then I can make better tiers of it. But I need to wait for that without using the set original one, because it takes a bit of time to get there. So I'll put these things away for now, and let's start doing some IC2 stuff, because we need to get a reactor going. And also I need to tell you that if I went and get some uranium, not the refined kind, it's the normal kind. Basically how I get this is using 9 refined uranium, make it into a uranium block, and then put it through the crafting table like this, and then it got changed into uranium-238. I don't know how does that work, but good to have. But the problem is that when you have that, it damages armors. quite ridiculously quickly. So yeah, of course, you can neglect all of the stats if you use a hazmat suit right here, which is a very easy recipe. Oh yeah, before we start anything, we need to get rubber tree going. I forgot about that. I did get rubber tree sapling early on, so that's good. And then let me get some bone meal, and then some planks. Actually, I don't think I really need them. Well, at least I would like to grow the tree first. So right here, hello, and then I don't think I got any rubber from that, right? So let me get some more saplings. I know that there's a chance that you won't get any saplings from it. That I do know. Here, this is the sap that one. So okay, I know why. I must use the sap, the thing. Okay, in that case, give me some planks. I need to use the tree sap. I thought you can get it just by breaking it, but doesn't seem like it. Unfortunately. Oh well. So let's see, is there any more? Yes, there's some more. Good. There's the sticky resin. And we can change the rubber. And that is problem solved. Actually, is there another use for that? No, there isn't. Okay, good. Oh, there's no EMC feather as well. Boo. Boo. Again, put you away. Same with you guys. And I only need you to be smelter now. Thank you very much. And there's one of the main ingredients acquired. Good. So let me get some of it. And then if we want to make most of the further machines, we will need a basic machine frame. And to get there, we need iron plates. And to make iron plates is actually very simple. I can just use the compactor. In that case, I'll just make get all the ingots and make one of each plate available, I guess. So that I got the recipe involved, or I have the recipe, and I don't need to continually make the plates again. So which one do I need plates for? I'll just get all the things that I think will require the plates. Same with aluminium. And I think that's it really. And I have a compactor already, so I can just use you to get all the plates required. I don't think there's like any more different plates though, right? So I can put you all away, and I'll just get a stack of iron plates for now, because we do need you to get this, the basic machine frame. Good. And with this we can make a lot of different things, actually even power, but honestly I don't really think we need yeah, I can't really see the reason why we need power, to be honest, because the only thing I do want to make is the nuclear reactor, which is right here. Basically the nuclear reactor only requires one of the nuclear reactor block and then 6 of the reactor chamber, and this is honestly, well, actually I can just make this immediately. There's only a lab place and basic machine frame. I mean casing, not frame. So let me quickly make 6 of you. Thank you. And then I just need lead plates, which is here. And there's already one thing acquired. That was quick. And then nuclear reactor requires a bit more than expected. It requires dense lead plates, basically. Okay, so that's one of the industrial craft machines we do need. One is the compressor. So what else do we need? And this doesn't require anything. The electronic circuit, iron plate redstone, insulated copper cables. It's rubber and copper cables. And normally you can use the metal former to make the cables, but of course we will go the lazy route. Just use the cutter on copper plates, and the cutter is not, yeah, the recipe is just too easy to get. So we get some iron cutters and some copper plates again, and also some rubber. Well, more of it. So we will need a cutter, save the recipe, and then use it to cut into wires. Oh, that broke already. Well, that's expected. And then we can get the cables, and then if we get some more plates and some redstone, and then we can get this. Woohoo! I'll just get as much as possible. So that's solved, and this is easily solved as well. I just need lapis and glowstone, right? And then I can make a ton of these as well, which I don't think I make that much of it. I'll just make 10. So we got both of the circuits, so what's next? Oh, I need even more reactor chambers. Okay. In that case, I'll need 3 more of you. So 3 more of you. There we go. And then we need a generator, which is an iron furnace or a furnace based on machine frame, and then a battery that requires tin cable and tin item casing. That requires, of course, I can use a forge hammer for that. So another easy craft. Stick. And then I need tin. Plate. Here and here. Good. Forge hammer. And then I can use the forge hammer to make casings. And I will also need a cutter. To get some batteries. And what's this tin? Why not just get more of it? Because it's 1 set, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That should be enough. And then, what am I missing? I need redstone. And I can make this now, right? Oh, I need you. Boop. And boop. There we go, 6 of it. Oh, it doesn't stack. That's unfortunate. So I think I can make you now, right? I just need you. And then, of course, a furnace again. And there's our generator that, from the name of it, you can already tell that it generates power. And the only thing left is the dense iron plate, which requires the compressor, which that is a very easy recipe, I have to say. I'll need you. And then I need cobblestone, I guess. Or stone. Don't know which works, but we will see. Ooh. Oh, stone works, okay. So there's our compressor, and of course we need power, so I need to make another generator for now. So a furnace. And oh, no casing. Let's see. There we go. On the generator, and where should I put all my IC2 machines at? Oh yeah, how are you doing? Is there any uranium ore? I got yellorium ore though. That's not what I wanted. Appetite ore, blah 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 blah, no. But I did get eroded crystals. That means I can upgrade to tier 2 now, which is absolutely wonderful. Let me put some more things away for now. So what else do I need? What was I doing? Oh yeah, finding a space for putting the machines. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll just put it here. Why not? It's next to my machines here anyway, so... wait. I need cables first thing and foremost, so I should get some copper plates. Copper cables is the safest thing to get. Maybe not that much cables though. And I need rubber. Thank you. Good. Yeah, I think it's fine. So I'll just put it here for now. I need my generator here. It will generate power to here. Not this one. The compressor, which should be fine. I just need fuel, so I'll just get this, the internals fuel. Boop. It will forever burn. And I don't really think that it will use up any more power than that. So what do we need for this? Dense lead plate. So we need 9 lead plate. So lead plate times 9 goes in here, and it goes by very, very, very slowly. And of course you can put upgrades on it, which is the overclock upgrade, which is this. You can see increased power, but it decreased the process time. But in order to make this, you will need coolant cells, which actually that. Oh wait, I originally thought it was a very easy recipe, but it requires IC2 coolants. And how do we get that? By the way, using water and lapis dust into IC2 coolants. Okay, that's not bad. We only need a fluid/solidified canning machine. And that is, wow, that is a very simple recipe, I have to say. Let's quickly make that then. Whee! And right here, 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 and here. There we go. One simple machine acquired. And basically it only requires us to have water. So that is not a freaking problem. I have water right here. Boop. In my reservoir. So is this mode okay? This one. Oh, unless it only works with a bucket of water. Let me test that. No, it doesn't. Then how in the world am I supposed to put water inside? I don't know. I seriously have no idea. I don't know which machine am I supposed to use that for. I felt like I really should have researched how do I do any of the machines though. Because I did research how do I make like a much safer nuclear reactor for plutonium production, but I didn't search for other things like this, which honestly I don't think we really need that for the time being. Do we really need that? Don't see the reason why we do need that, like important wise. So I guess I'll put away. So let's see. Oh yeah, we already got it already, so now we can make the reactor, which is here, the nuclear reactor controller. Wonderful. So I'll put all of the useless stuff back. Oh, there's iron plate. Yeah, that's a recipe. And let's throw away some useless stuff like you, and the batteries as well, and you. And I'll just put the rest of the stuff here. So I will keep it here for now to remind me to make the reactor chamber because I still need the uranium. Which, how are you doing by the way? And the uranium, please. Really? That shouldn't be too hard. Yeah. Oh, I need a green laser lens to get me much more. Okay, in that case, that's not a problem. I need a green laser lens. That shouldn't be hard at all, right? You. So it's just green dye. Okay, so green dye. Okay, there we go. And now I should have a much better chance of getting uranium then. Right? Go. Because I still need... Oh, wow. I immediately got that. That was quick. Yay. I got it ready. I should have done this a lot sooner. In that case, now that I have uranium, I will need to get the Macerator and also the ore washing machine. So, Macerator. How do we make that then? Here. Okay, we don't need flints and cobble. So, flint and cobblestone. And of course, I need you. And plate. Iron plate to be exact. And there's one macerator ready. And then, what is the thing we need again? I keep on forgetting it. You. Actually, do we actually need you though? This. Yeah, I would like to get you because I can get more. Well, actually, I don't really need. I don't really need the purified one. Right. Yeah, I don't think I actually need the purified one. I only need the thermal centrifuge now. Because I can change to EMC. So let me see, how do we get this? Electric motor, coil, a mining laser. What? That requires, oh my god, that is even more crafting things. Advanced alloy and the energy crystal. How do I make this then? Compressor, I got that. Energium dust, crushed diamonds and redstone. Okay, that's not hard. Redstone, diamonds. I wonder, can I crush it through here? Nah, it doesn't work. Boo. Oh well. Oh, I don't have a macerator. Oh my god. Really? Is there no way? I can't even use the actual editions one. Really? That is annoying. That is really annoying. Oh well, I'll just make the macerator then. Wait, I already got that. I'm an idiot, huh? I already got that and I told myself that I need to make another one again. So I don't think it explodes, right? I think it only explodes that when the tier of power is incorrect. Right? And oh, I don't know. I didn't expect you can speed this up though. Oh wait, I don't need to do this. It has EMC failure anyways. So 1, 2. And there should be the thing we need already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same with fuel, energy and dust. And then to the compressor we go, and wow, that really does burn for a long time. So what else? What is next? I will need advanced alloy, right? Yeah, advanced alloy from the compressor using mixed metal ingot, which is iron, bronze, and tin. Okay, so plate, iron, bronze, and tin. Iron, bronze, tin, boop, as much as possible. Thank you very much. And there should be our advanced alloy, which is in the making already. Wonderful. In that case, I can leave you here for now. And oh yeah, I should also let you continue running with my uranium that I do need eventually. So what is next? Electric motor, which requires even more coils. Tin atom casings coils is okay. That is not hard. I need a cutter. I need some copper. I need even freaking more of you. And you broke again. And then I need tin. And iron. Right? Yeah, right. And I will need 4 of you guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you. And I will need you. I didn't expect I didn't throw my hammer away. That is totally unexpected. So I will need. Oh, I require an advanced machine frame. I didn't realize that. That texture, it only looks a little bit different. So it requires you and you. Sorry for the hiccups. But I should have that completed already, right? Yep. Advanced alloy required. Or should I say acquired. And there's our mining laser, which basically does just do mining stuff. Oh, it doesn't charge up from my wireless charging. Well, it's kind of another kind of power, so it's expected that it doesn't charge up. So what do I need this? Steel plates. Oh, okay, I didn't make that. Steel. Let's quickly make that then. Here you go. Thank you. Steel plate. What else do I need for you? I need this I'm already getting, this I do have, this I do have, and then the carbon plate, which is a raw carbon mesh, which is raw carbon fiber, which is pulverized coal. Okay, that's not hard at all. So pulverized coal, getting smashed into this, and then I can make this. Yeah, carbon plate. What's this? Carbon rotor plate. Okay. Cool, I guess. But I got the things I required already. So let me throw some useless stuff away again, like you. And how are you doing? Compressing stuff. Well, stop compressing that for now. And oh, it ran out of power. Well, at least it's using my buffer, I guess. So let you continue to keep running. And then now I should be able to make the thing I want, right? My advanced machine casing, which is here, good. And also the thermal centrifuge, wonderful. So actually, I don't know if this works, so I just put this. Ah, okay, I think it does work. Originally, I thought it would explode on impact, but it's a good thing that it didn't, and that requires a lot of power. No wonder it requires tier 2 power. And why isn't this working? Does it require lever? I do know that you need to heat it up or something, right? I think you need to heat it up or something, and then it can help. Yeah, you need to heat it up, and then it can start producing it. And then I only need 1 tiny panel of uranium, and that's totally enough. So I don't really need you anymore. I only need to go through 1 iteration, and that's all I needed it for. Oh wait, yeah, I don't need that anymore. So you and you, I can't throw you away because you don't have EMC value. So let's go here. And yeah, this is running good. So when I get plutonium, I can get the uranium fuel rod, which honestly, when I build my reactor, I will build it a lot more further from here, because I wish that it doesn't explode. If it actually does explode, it will be terrible, and it will destroy my base, so I'll put a lot more further from here. Well, not too much further, I guess. But yeah, now this is going to take a while. I wonder, can I speed this up with this? I can! Nice! Yeah, I'm speeding this up good, and then it's having progress, but it is out of freaking power. Oh, I shouldn't speed up anymore. Yep, you don't have any more power now. Oops, should I get another generator up and running? Is there any more generators that I can make in IC2? Generator, geothermal generator, kinetic. I think I'm just gonna make more generators, to be honest. Maybe I should not throw away my batteries, because this can't... Actually, I will just move this. In that case, it can... I will let it heat up first for now. So let's see. It is generating many different types of ores. I wonder, did it got any ores that I don't have yet? Maybe apatite, I guess. Cinnabar as well. Okay. And then... What's that? Energized nether quartz. Oh, no, it's netherrack. Destabilized, oil sand. There really is a lot of ores, I have to say. A lot. And unfortunately, most of the ores doesn't have EMC value. I don't know why. Except glowstone. No, wait, that is not ore type. Yeah, most of the ore types doesn't have EMC except uranium. I don't know. It's interesting. But yeah, I will continue upgrading this thing between episodes because it's just very boring. It's basically just get the next tier of crystals, upgrade the game, blah 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 blah, and it's very boring. And wow. Wait a minute. How in the world are you using up so much power already? Do you... No? This outputting... This inputting... I don't know why, but I guess I can switch you off for now. I don't really need you to continue using my power. Yeah, what in the world is using up my power at this point? Oh well, in that case, I can just remove you. And then you just switch off by yourself. Wonderful. Who cares? I'll just leave you here for the time being. And are you ready? You are. So... hopefully I have enough power to last through this. It does, but I shouldn't have used the acceleration one on you. You kind of ran out of things, okay? I just need a little bit, and I want to at least get the uranium I needed for the fuel rod, which is... oh, I need to make a fuel rod as well. I still need a metaformer. I originally thought I don't need to make you. Oh my god. So, cutter again, copper again, and iron again. Here. Come here. Plates. Here. Coil. Away. And I will need to get you bronze item casing, so I need the hammer. Here. And I think I need... not you. Not you either. Is you. You require a chest. So that I can make you. Good. And then I need you and you. Okay, that's fine. So that's a bit too much. And you, and that should be all the things needed to make you good. So I will put this right here. It's working very fine. Of course, I need a torch, which I will totally ignore you for a time being. And holy moly, that hurts a lot. I didn't expect that to hurt so much. So what I need is what do I need for you? Oh, it's the lion form. So I need an iron plate. 1 iron plate, please. Thank you. And that will give me the fuel rod, and I will need to make this now. So it's tiny parts of uranium and refined uranium. Okay. Uranium. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3. And this is very freaking dangerous, even with my armor involved. So I need to quickly remove it. You can see, just by, I think this hurt even more. Yep, that hurts even more. But I do need that to go through here. This machine, right? Yeah, it needs to be this machine. Okay, so I need to change this mode, and then this does have EMC failure, so that is good. Enriched. Sorry for that. There you go. And there's my fuel rod. Wonderful. And if I do it like this, it is working. Wonderful. That's what I like to see. And basically, I can just turn you off. I don't really need you anymore. Ow. Same with the stone dust. And same with you. Bye. So, how are you doing? Ow. That hurts even more. Well, at least we got this. I don't think we need any more of these. Even though this basically increases the efficiency, but I will just stick with this. So we have all the things running, which is wonderful. And I will build my nuclear reactor next episode, not this episode, because I need to look at the design and stuff. I haven't figured out the safest way or like the most productive way to get plutonium, because I want to do it in one go, and also with the fact that you can't really speed up using up the fuel in the fuel rod. Of course, I can make this, but you can see that it has a ridiculous amount of durability, and I actually the durability is the same, but I prefer to use this, even though you can get 4 tiny parts of plutonium per one of these, but it's a lot harder to control using the quad fuel rod than compared to the normal fuel rod of uranium. So if we want to get the pellets, this one, the pellets of RTG fuel, we need 3 plutonium. That means we need 27 plutonium. That also means that we need 27 of the fuel rods. So I need to save 27 spaces for you to do stuff. And of course, if we want to make it like more safe, we need heat fence and stuff. There's a lot of things required, like these. And a little bit more crafting that's involved. Yeah, I need to figure this out like next episode. Or I will say that I will build it between this episode and next episode. And then we'll have an end product of that, and then I can work on other stuff at that point. So yeah. So for now, thank you for watching. And if you enjoy my episodes, you can consider subscribing. And goodbye. Bye.